Okay, so this is a short video on how to add funds to your Wirex account. I have a cryptocurrency wallet with Wirex, and I'm going to put some money in there because I want to transfer it over to my Binance account. So what we need to do is log in first of all, and once that's done, that should take us straight into the platform. And here we have the dashboard. So we want Bitcoin and we want to add funds. So we've got a card that's already linked. So I'm going to calculate this in pounds. I want £200 in Bitcoin. Calculating Bitcoin. Right, so that's okay. We confirm that. Confirm the transaction from my Visa account to my Bitcoin account. Transferring £200. It's going to be 6126 Bitcoin, and I'm going to add funds. Okay. And we've got one transaction that's processing. So, and it's added, and as you can see, we've now got a balance of £202.38. And that's it. Very quick, very simple. It's a nice platform, is Wirex. It's not as secure, you'd have to say, as somewhere as Binance. The security checks are not as strong as Binance, but well, you need to know your email and password, and if you're going to give those away, then you deserve to be robbed. So check out Wirex, quite a good platform, and there's a link at the bottom of the video on how you can join Wirex should you wish to open a cryptocurrency wallet.